I'm obsessed with our patio heater, but also want to make sure it stays in really good condition when we're not using it. So I bought the patio heater cover. This is what it looks like when it arrives. Comes like that. And now let's put it on. And I brought a little step stool out because I'm not sure if I can do it without standing on something. So it comes in its own little carry case. And this should just go right on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's got a little bungee right there, and then it's got the zipper. It says the East Oak on it. And then there's the top of it. Okay, let's go put it on. Just for your reference, I'm 5'8". Just did that myself on a tiny little step stool. This is easy. Beautiful. If you have a patio heater, you probably should get a cover, and this one's awesome.